time we install the lip. What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck. Coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today we're finally installing the lip. The lip has been sitting in my garage for the past just about week. And I think it's finally time we install it. If you guys do happen to notice that the videos look a little bit different, I'm trying something new. And let me know if you guys like it. We're finally going to be color grading again. I used to do this back in the day, like when I was new to YouTube. I want to bring it back. Without further ado, we need to clean the lip. I'm installing it by myself today, so I'm probably going to jack the car up a little bit just to have some gravity to hold the lip by itself. I just know it's going to be a pain to do it by myself. Now, when I did buy this lip, I noticed that it came with tape and screws. No idea where the tape's going to go. The screws, obviously, I'll have to drill. So I'm going to mock it up, drill it, clean it, then we can put it on. Hopefully it comes out good, because if not, we're going to have some problems. There's a little test fit of it. Doesn't look too shabby. Wait, I actually kind of like this. I didn't think I was gonna like this lip, but it's kind of growing on me. I'll probably have to tape it all along here, maybe inside over there, for sure down the middle, and then the other side. Then obviously we're gonna have to drill some holes. I don't know how I'm gonna line those up, but we'll figure it out. I don't know what happened to this side. I didn't notice it when we were painting it or even test fitting it. Dude, what is going on here, bro? Oh my god. We're gonna have to make that work. Hopefully over time the heat kind of warps it back, but thanks, dude. But I kind of test fitted it, drilled all the hose on it. So now I'm gonna clean the bumper off and then take the lip off, put the tape on it. Should be good. And we should be beating the sun, which is a plus. So I'm excited. Alright, I got the lip on majority that I could. Honestly, it's not going to be perfect fitment, like right here. I mean, it's just not OEM stuff, so it's not going to be perfect, but knowing me, I kind of want it to be perfect, but it is what it is. There's nothing you can really do about that. I mean, this side fits a little bit better, but still, it's not going to be what I wanted, but I'm going to rip off the tape and then lower the car and see how it looks. Alright, moment of truth. Can I get my jack out? Ooh, I think it's right on the jack. Like I said, just knowing me and knowing that I like fitment to be perfect. At the end of the day, it's like an $80 lip. It's not gonna happen. If it was OEM and we had this problem, then we'd have a real issue. But it looks good. I'm gonna back it out of the driveway and see how it looks on the straight. What do you guys think? I really can't tell if I like it right now. I mean, it looks good from this angle. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, I guess. Should probably get a splitter for it. See how that'll look. I'm just so mad about the fitment, bro, but what else are you gonna do? I know that'll bug me until like forever, but it is what it is. Still looks good though. Sun's kind of setting. I mean, you just can't go wrong there, brother. It's a good looking car. Kind of want to go out tonight. Wish there was a meet tonight, but there isn't. I am in the SI now. I got my mic connected to me right there on my belly. We're gonna take the SI for a little drive just because we haven't driven this car in like maybe a few days. So we're gonna take it for a little drive. Hopefully the audio sounds good. I haven't corrected the mic at all, so I hope it's doing good. First off, man, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching Vlogmas. I know the past maybe a few days haven't been what you guys wanted to see, but I've just been, I think I'm gonna scrape. Oh, kind of close. I just been a little busy, you know. Like I mentioned to you guys before, still rocking a 9 to 5, but I'm enjoying uploading for you guys. I'm actually having a lot of fun installing stuff, recording it, and uploading it the same day. Now that might sound crazy, and like I said before, and like I said after Vlogmas, the videos are just going to be edited a lot better. You know, I've been really feeling motivated and determined and disciplined to upload these last few days, these last few weeks, that I just kind of feel unstoppable right now. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Thought what's been going on the past 2 years, like I just been really unmotivated to make videos, and that's the reason why I kind of sold my 8th gen. But not only that, I was kind of just bored of the car because I feel like I built it probably a little bit too fast than I should have. So I kind of just bit myself in the butt right there by doing that. That's the reason why I wanted to do Vlogmas, right? I wanted to see if that spark was going to come back, and it kind of just, it's hitting me now, 14, 15, whatever days we are into recording this. It's just hitting me now. Like, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do for my life. I want to create videos. I like making videos and having people like enjoy them. And before, when I had like the 10 gen SI and even the Type R, people would just say like, yo, like you inspired me to get this car. Like, bro, that motivated me so much back then. Yeah, just nothing can really beat that, really. And if you guys have been watching me for the past few years, probably even longer than that, thank you guys for the love and support, for real. I mean, like I mentioned to you guys before, just liking the videos, commenting, and just showing mad amounts of love, bro, you guys don't know how much that motivates me, especially now when I see stuff like that. I just hope you guys are really enjoying the content. And like I said, man, I wanna make these videos a little bit more highly edited, a little bit more fun, kind of do, you know, just give you guys a little bit of sauce. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense?
We'll put that on.
We've been making content for some years, and I think it's time that we finally take this year serious. And honestly, I feel like 2026 is going to be a huge year. And by huge, I mean like huge year. I know I've said that before, but honestly, like I'm just super locked in. Like I have goals and dreams of like stuff that I want to do and stuff that I want to hit, goals to achieve. Like, bro, I know it can all be done. One quote that I've always kind of seen go around is, if they can do it, why can't I? You know what I mean? If that person that I watch, like people that I watch right now, is Finding Nick, Chris Borges. I started watching TJ again. Dustin Williams was my favorite YouTuber back then. If those guys can do it, why can't I? I just got to put the time and effort in, and I just got to go hard. That's it. That's really all there is to it. But yeah, man, we're closing in on, how many days we got left? We have, like 8 more days. Oh, big bump, big bump. We have about 8 more days of Vlogmas, bro, and then we finally have people. Is it 8 more days? It's 8 more days, right? Am I doing my math right? Finally gonna complete Vlogmas. This is the most I've ever uploaded in a month. The most I've ever uploaded at all. Like, bro, it's probably the most I've ever uploaded all year. I'll be honest with you. I haven't really uploaded at all this year, and this is probably doing the most. But I'm super excited. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it. But yeah, man, kind of just going back to what you want to do. I mean, I've been uploading consistently. I've been seeing a lot of rewards from it, and this just goes to show, man, if you work hard and you're consistent and you just do what you love, man, you're gonna see results. It's kind of weird. It's weird to hear people say it and you're like, ah, man, whatever. But like me uploading and grinding every single day to get a video out for you guys and just grinding my butt off and then seeing some results, not even the biggest results that I want, obviously, but seeing some results is like inspiring, bro. It just motivates me to want to keep going, to want to keep grinding. And yeah, man, I just know that this year's gonna be my biggest year. I'm like 100% set on that. No one's gonna tell me otherwise. I really don't care. I don't care what people think about me. I don't care what people have to say about me. Like, I'm gonna grind my ass off to get what I want. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I've just been kind of driving around, letting the SI kind of just use some fuel because it's been sitting for the past few days and I don't really like the car sitting. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know how you guys like the lip. I kind of like it. I don't think I could have went wrong other than the fitment, which is what I'm kind of sad about. But again, it was like a $80, $90 lip. Who's gonna shit on my parade? You know what I mean? It's not an HFP kit, and I wasn't gonna pay for an HFP kit. And that's what happens when you don't pay for an HFP kit. You get stuff that doesn't fit. Anywho, man, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave the like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.